Hey guys, I picked up a couple items from Lowe's, which is for the drip irrigation idea I have project for my wife's garden, which was in the previous video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up from Lowe's. It seems like Lowe's is the only one that carries them. I picked up this 3/4 hose to pipe thread anti-siphon. Prevents backflow and contaminated water into drinking water supply. 3/4 female hose thread by 3/4 male pipe thread. And then I also picked up this guy right here, which is Elasco 3/4 inch pipe thread to smooth 3/4 for gluing the PVC pipe, pipe to glue the 3/4 PVC to this, and then you just thread this into this. This end goes on here like that, and then this end would go directly to the hose, the faucet attachment. I picked this up because this is a 30 psi 2.07 bar pressure regulator. We also have this guy right here, and this one is a 3/4 hose thread to 25 psi pressure regulator. So we have a 30 psi and a 25 psi. This 30 psi actually says half by 8 gallons per minute, 1.9-30.3 LPM. So basically this is just a larger version of this one. So we have both, we can experiment with them. And I'll just give you an idea. Okay, that one doesn't thread right. Let's see if it threads to this one. Oops. Yep. So that gives you an idea. This would thread to the faucet. Oops. If you can show you guys, it threads to the this one threads to the bottom, so you can physically run this to the pipe, and this is smooth, so you can glue this piece to the pipe, and you can hook up a hose to this end if you want to. I have more than one of these. I have several of these. Or you could hook it up to this, run it to the pipe, a pipe instead of a you glue this piece to the pipe, and you can run this regulator to it, or you can put a hose in line here. And this side is also the same. So this regulator didn't need an adapter. This one is hose fitting, faucet to faucet. So male and female faucet, 3/4 faucet attachment. And this is a 3/4 FHT by Slip irrigation adapter by Apollo. So we have different options. So here's the other one right there. These I already did a video on, but I picked this one up just because I wanted to test this one. And this one is basically, it's the opposite of this one. So this one is a slip to pipe, 3/4 pipe fitting, and this one is FHT faucet to slip glue pipe fit, PVC fitting. So these are basically similar, which this one will thread to this one, but it will not thread very much because it's not the same fitting. So just make sure if you guys are looking for a faucet fitting or a pipe thread fitting, they're different, whether they're 3/4 or not. This one is 3/4 pipe fitting, and this one is a 3/4 faucet fitting. And the difference is that the faucet fitting, the actual threads are a little bit wider than an actual pipe fitting. But so pick these 3 items up from Lowe's. We're just gonna you can see how this one threads all the way down. It didn't thread all the way down in this one. So we picked these up. We're gonna experiment with them for the irrigation drip system that my wife wants, and I'm just showing you the other options that I have. And this would also go with the previous video from all the stuff that was picked up at Home Depot. I do appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And again, just to give you guys just a quick update, these pressure regulators you cannot find at Home Depot. For whatever reason, Lowe's is the only one that carries them, and I don't know why. Let me know if you guys have the same experience, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me. Alright, see you guys next time. Peace!
Yeah.